How to download Dragon Ball Sparking Zero on your Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So for this process, all you have to do is launch the Chrome browser on your device, and on the search bar, all you have to search is for the Steam application over here. You can use the app version or you can directly go to the website of this application. So tap on Steam, and as you do that, make sure that you're logged into your account. After logging into your account, what you can simply do over here is tap on the search bar and search for this application called Dragon Ball. And here you can see different versions of this. Now I cannot find the Sparking Zero option over here. So as you type in, you cannot find it. So I cannot find this as well, but generally this is the way to find the application. So you just have to tap on the particular game that you want to download and then scroll down, and here you can see different versions. So you can get add to cart, and then you'll be able to pay this and use this game and download it and play accordingly. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.